So the first thing you want to do is to make a copy. So you're going to go to File, and then you're going to select Make a Copy. Now this will allow you to have your own copy in your, it's called Your Designs. For whatever reason, if anything were to go wrong, at least you have the original copy there that's unaltered in your files. So um, first we can deal with some photos. You can swap photos. Let me see, what topic do we want to touch on this one? Let's do food. Let's say that you have a food brand. What you could do is just drag and hover over any photo area in order to replace the photo. And we can choose another color by clicking on the color box. Because you have these two elements, it's important that you click on the edge of the box in order to select the color. And so we're going to go here to this color box here, and we are going to change it to, I'm going to use a color in the photo. I think I like this color here. So we're going to do that. And over here, you can see change all black boxes to that, I guess, brownish color. I'm going to check that off so that I could shave off a whole bunch of time. Now I could also click on this here and change the color. I believe it's a grayish color. I'm going to change it to white, and I'm going to change all of the white boxes because they are on several pages. So I'm shaving off even more time by doing that. And then here, I'm going to change the color of my text to white. And for some reason, the box didn't come up. So we can probably try again down the line. But if I want to change my text, I'm just going to either select or just erase it all. Food guide. And it is in all caps because I have it set that way. I'm going to center it. As you can see, the purple lines shows that it's centered. If I didn't want it to be in all caps, I would click this button here. If I want to change the font, I'll go ahead and do so. I can type in a specific font or look through the number of different fonts that Canva has available for you. Yeah, so food guide, you have your table of contents. I do want to note that some of these boxes here, you can actually drag food in, well, not food, but a photo into. So for example, you can drag a photo into it and click on it and crop so that you can show the specific part of the photo that you'd like people to see, and hit done. So as you can see before, it was just, I guess, the grayish color, but now you can see a portion of the photo. So that's also an option for you. I'm going to undo that just because I want to have the solid color. Here, you can select and then type in, whatever the title page is, and then double click to insert the page number. And so there you go with that. These are all text boxes, so you click on them and then you insert your text however you choose to get that done. So here we're gonna change up some of the photos, and I'm gonna drag it to the edge here. I'm actually making this white because I couldn't see it at all for some reason. So as I mentioned a little bit earlier, these are on every page, so I want to make sure I highlight that. I'm going to drag and drop a few more photos. And as you could see, because I hovered over the background in order to get to the box, it did fill in the white background. So that is an option for you if you do want a photo background. This is a text box, so you would select it all and then type in what you would like to see there. Because we changed all the black boxes to brown, this is already done for you. So all you have to do is drag and drop your photos and then insert your text. And that is with each page. Insert your text, change the colors, change the font if you choose to do so. And that is all up to you. Once again, I'm not sure why this didn't change color, but you can always do it on your own. I'm going to choose this photo here. And there we go. I'm going to leave these photos of team members. And then once again, these are all text boxes. So you just, select them, double click, triple click, and then type in whatever it is that you want to type in. I'm going to go ahead and swap this photo here. There we go. And once again, I'm going to make this white. Although it should have been done earlier on, I'm not sure why it's not showing. It's just showing as invisible right now. But usually it will just change all of the colors for you. Scroll and find some more photos. And drag and drop. Sorry, I think my internet is a tad bit slow. Here as well, you just select and type in whatever information that suits your specific brand. Okay, now we have another. I'm going to make that white. Then I'm going to go ahead and these pancakes actually look really good. So there you have it. And then this is the last page. Let me choose, I think I like this one here. So here I have an option to add a QR code. You would just click on this area and delete it, and then either upload a photo of your QR code and then, drag it to this area, or click on it so that it appears and then put it in this area, so that if that's how you want your information to be shared, then you can go ahead and do that. If not, you can just delete this box altogether and hit the trash can. And then that is all. So let's do a side by side and see, how this looks. Once again, I apologize for my slow internet. So I'm going to try to select this page here. And then show you the full original compared to what we just changed it to. So as you can see, you see all this black and white, all these office photos. Let me just scroll through so that you can see. And then now we have what we've just created with our food photos. I'm sure it's making some of you hungry. And there we've customized it and made it our own, even though I didn't change any of the text. I changed the photos and the color. So there you have it. It's pretty simple and easy to use.